For demanding fluid system applications, HOKE products deliver the precision, reliability, and leak-tight performance industrial operations depend on. FLW supplies HOKE Gyrolok tube fittings, precision pipe fittings, instrumentation valves, manifolds, and sample cylinders for high-pressure industrial fluid systems. From energy and chemical processing to water treatment and manufacturing, HOKE components help support safe, efficient, and reliable fluid system performance. As a trusted distributor, FLW helps customers identify the right HOKE components for their application, backed by technical expertise, local support, and decades of industrial experience. Select HOKE products are also available for purchase online at store.flw.com.